A cinematic, chronological journey through the evolution of Boeing aircraft, from the earliest beginnings to the present day. Beginning in the early 20th century with the first simple Boeing aircraft. Wooden frames, fabric wings, propellers.
Transitioning to the mid-20th century with classic airliners and the first jet aircraft. Metal fuselages, the rise of civil aviation and the
Further development in the late 20th century brought iconic Boeing models, improved aerodynamics, powerful engines, transitioning into the modern era with highly advanced Boeing aircraft, composite materials, digital cockpits, and modern avionics.
Concluding with a visionary future, AI-supported flight systems, sustainable aviation, new materials, and intelligent production. The Skyway adapts in real time, optimizing for efficiency across the globe.
Ultra-realistic, cinematic light, flowing transitions, a documentary style, a focus on engineering, innovation, and technological progress.